If you want to learn how to reverse a video in CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to take any clip, reverse it, and preview the result in just a few simple steps. This is a great effect for transitions, creative edits, and eye-catching social media videos. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once CapCut launches, you can either click New Project to start fresh or open an existing project if you already have one set up. If you're working on a current edit, that's completely fine too. Next, import the video you want to reverse. You can usually do this by clicking the import option and selecting your file from your computer. After the clip is imported, drag it down into the timeline so it becomes part of your project. This is important because you need the video placed on the timeline before you can apply the reverse effect. Now click on the video clip in the timeline to make sure it is selected. You should see the clip highlighted, which tells you CapCut is ready to edit that specific file. With the clip selected, look for the two triangle icon with arrows circling around them. This is the reverse tool. Once you click it, a drop-down option should appear, and from there choose reverse. CapCut will now begin processing the video. Depending on the length of your clip and the speed of your computer, this may take a few moments, so give it some time to finish. Longer clips can take a little more patience, but the app will handle the rest for you. After the process is complete, play back the video in the preview window to make sure everything looks right. You should now see your clip playing in reverse exactly the way you wanted. If you want to make the edit even better, you can trim the clip first, add music, or combine the reversed video with other effects in CapCut. That's one of the reasons this feature is so useful. It gives you a simple way to create more dynamic and creative edits without needing advanced editing skills, and that's it. You now know how to reverse a video in CapCut PC in just a few clicks. If this video helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.